AI automation is transforming every single industry. And the real advantage isn't just using AI. It's knowing how to build autonomous AI agents that work for you 24/7. But here is the problem. Most people don't know where to start. AI agents sound complicated and overwhelming. What if I told you that by the end of this bootcamp, you will be able to build all of it, even if you have never touched Copilot Studio or know any programming language before? I'm Dr. Ryan Ahmed, a professor, engineer, and best-selling AI instructor with over 500,000 students worldwide. And I've spent the last year obsessed with AI agents, building real-world autonomous workflows for companies around the world. In this bootcamp, I'm going to teach you how to build production-ready autonomous AI agents and fully automated end-to-end workflows across Microsoft 365 tools. Inside this course, you will learn how to build intelligent AI agents that reason, make decisions, and take action without human intervention. Create multi-step workflows across Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, Excel, and Word. Build a RAG-powered assistant that answers questions using uploaded documents. Create a finance AI agent that answers procurement and expense questions using company policy. Build the financial analyst agent that retrieves real-world data through REST APIs and generates automated reports. Design a multi-agent marketing team that researches competitors and launch a full campaign. This bootcamp is perfect for business professionals, data analysts, developers, consultants who want to master AI automation. AI isn't the future anymore. It is happening right now, today. And the people who know how to build AI agents will lead the next decade of innovation. Enroll today and let's build your future in AI together.